Hello and welcome to Eloquens.com. Let's get started with your library tour by clicking on this icon. Your library is where you can see all of your downloaded or purchased best practices in one place. By clicking on this blue text, you can access your previously downloaded best practices. At Eloquens.com, we encourage our users to rate the best practices that they have downloaded. This gives authors a better indication of what best practices to publish more of, what can be improved upon, and what their audience responds best to. You can do that by selecting the number of stars that you think the best practice should receive. Below, you can write a review by detailing some more information to the author about their best practice. This will not only help other users to decide whether they want to purchase the best practice for themselves, but also help the author to know their audience's response and opinions regarding their best practices. To the right, you can select the circle to see the author of your best practice and access their channel. You can use this to find other best practices that they have published. If we return back to our library page, you can select this envelope here to private message the author directly. This feature should be used if you have any questions regarding their best practice, if you want to network with them, or if you just want to discuss with them more generally. Don't forget to use this feature to manage your best practices, write reviews, and network with the authors of your downloaded best practices.